How to download Upwork on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are looking to download Upwork on your Android device, then you can easily do it by following through this step. First of all, go ahead and unlock your Android device and launch open Google Play Store. Now, in the search bar at the top, type in Upwork and search. Once you reach to the search results, look for this Upwork application from Upwork Global Inc. and tap on Install. Now wait for the application to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes. Once you install the application, tap on Open. And there you have successfully downloaded and installed Upwork application on your Android device. Sign into your existing account or create a new account. Follow through the on-screen instructions to finish setting up the app. So that's it, you've successfully downloaded the Upwork application on Android and you can now go ahead and sign in and start using the platform. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.